Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Nothing had a special to where you could buy one ear stick and get one free, so it just so happened that my wife needed a new pair of wireless earbuds, so here we are. She has a new pair and I have something to unbox on this channel. Let's dig into them. If you're not familiar with the Nothing Ear Stick, these are the kind of sequel, kind of just addition to the Nothing Ear line, which first started with the Nothing Ear Ones, which have been around for a while. Those are going to be the more premium noise-canceling wireless earbuds. These are still premium, but no noise canceling on these, and you've got a very, very cool case design. It's this awesome circular tube-looking thing. So, as always, Nothing's packaging is second to none. I don't know who comes up with their packaging, but they need an award because this is incredible. As far as the specs on this device, you've got up to 29 hours of listening time, 3 hours per earbud. It also has fast pair for Android devices and something that Nothing has developed where it automatically switches to low lag mode when you game on the Nothing Phone 1. Pretty cool for those Phone 1 owners. They tout all-day battery life. They tout clear voice technology, every little bell and whistle that you can get with these, and they are only $99, an absolute steal. So here they are. They come in one color, transparent and white, and they're just really cool. So we'll do a short review of these on the channel, but until then, stick around. I've got some really, really cool stuff coming up, and enjoy this little look at the Nothing Ear Stick.